Here on the YouTube page, go to the videos, select the horizontal video, let's say that one, tap on the icon. Now let's tap on the video and make it full screen, those arrows, so full screen. Now in full screen mode we have the three dots down here, so three dots and a remix. Tap on remix, add it into a short, so you can slide it left or right, plus you can cut off from the end to make it shorter, but let's leave it on, let's say 15 seconds, and then tap on done. Next, add a title. You can go back with the back arrow, you can edit it, you can make it shorter, forward, add to a playlist, animals, done, add a description, nature, poultry, back, upload, back, close, shorts, and there's the short video. Upload it to your channel. In a few moments you will be able to change the thumbnail. Three dots in the corner, edit, tap on the thumbnail, chicken, OK, save, and it's done.